My name is Surya Khatun Osman. I am a medical doctor, also a lecturer, senior lecturer in a university. And besides conventional medicine, I'm also an alternative medicine practitioner. And my focus is on homeopathy and energy healing. I am also a certified professional coach, and I found that the techniques that I've learned in Sam's class is very helpful in the work that I do. It helps me when I see patients because it makes me better at case taking and understanding the patient's reality. And as a coach, I can coach better when I understand my patients, my clients' limiting beliefs. And besides that, I think that I have myself got rid of several of my own limiting beliefs by attending this course. And even though I've already been doing what I call guided meditation, I found that it's the same as Ericksonian hypnotism that Sam has taught, and I found ways to actually refine and get better results from the work that I do, the guided meditation that I actually do to help my clients and my patients as well. So all in all, it has been a very enriching experience, and as someone who is always on a continuous development loop, I think that Sam's course has added a lot of value to what I do. I think that he's a really great guy because I can see that what he does has a sense of higher purpose. And even though he kind of he plays that down a lot, but I've actually talked to him personally and I asked him, what do you get from all of this? Because I told him, frankly, I think that what you're offering is really at a very affordable price. I mean, cheaper than most of the courses like this in the market, and with more value. So why are you doing this? And then he kind of, the reasons that he gave me, which I think would be too long for me to say right now, showed me that he's a person with a higher purpose who wants to make the world a better place. And I think that's good enough reason for me to be attending Sam's course.